Imagine the horror. You're gifted a used tin of NeoColor IIs, and of course you gratefully accept them. Those are equivalent to gold nuggets in an Altoids tin. But you flip it open and discover a disaster of dirty, broken crayons. Your heart sinks and you almost shed a tear. Well, time to get to cleaning. Those little crayons need a pick-me-up fast. And just like any other cleaning tactic, you tackle the grime and you wipe those babies one at a time. There is no use in letting this art supply go to waste. They are not cheap. Enjoy the process as I clean up this little box of jewels. I have found the easiest method here is to just use a couple of baby wipes and a paper towel for drying. I will now speed up the time here so you get a fast forward version. If you prefer to see this kind of video in slow motion, please leave me a comment below. I'd be more than happy to slow down the process next time. If you've made it this far, you now know that it's been a success. The box is nice and clean, the crayons are ready to be used once again, everyone is happy. Thank you so much for watching.